So that's the package, the canvas, and yes, excited to do the custom painting. So I thought I was recording, but it was a time lapse. So good day, matey, this is Destiny Does, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I had a delivery, and unexpectedly I was recording, but it was time lapse. So I already opened the box. It's from mateyy. I ordered a lot of canvas because I'm gonna do a custom painting. For those who are interested, feel free to DM me or message me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, wherever. But I don't have a Snapchat, I don't have any Twitter, so feel free. So today I got my order. Ta-da! So I have big canvases and small canvases. So are ready. I'm gonna put away my shoes because I'm not bringing my shoes inside my room because it's so dirty and stinky. So I have here. Oh, I thought the round painting was big. I didn't expect. This is kind of small. So we have 2 pieces of round canvases. So I thought there's edges. I really thought there's edges. So 2 round canvas. I need to cut it. But I'm going to doing because I went to the actual video post, but unfortunately they said, oh, your parcel is in your building. So yeah, and this is what is the size of this one? This is 4 by 50 cm canvas pack. It's, what size is this? I can't see any size, but it's kind of like 60 by 60, I think. Yeah, 60 by 60. I have 7 minutes and then I need to start walking, going to the train station because I gotta work. I just visited my friend who's in, no, not visited, I met my old coworkers / friends in CBD before. We had a lunch near the old house we lived before, and then they're going to the Kabul festival, and unfortunately I'm going to work, so I won't be able to go with them. So this is a pretty, I don't know why they're cheaper because it's a single stick canvas. So this is how big it is. It's the same size of my canvas, but it's thinner. It's a single thick canvas. Wow, that's pretty huge. And then plenty things to do lately, and where should I store them? Ouchie. So this is the second one. This is the wheel. I really thought that this is have a side on the corner. That's why it's cheaper. Anyway, what can I do? That's what I received. So I'm gonna open this one because I'm gonna start painting tonight. As soon as I finish work, I can't open it. I don't know why. Here you go. This is 60 by 60 cm. Time check. I got 2 minutes. Pretty. Okay. And we have another unboxing to do. So my matcha from US just arrived. It's a matcha flavor, matcha powder, a ceremonial matcha. I can't wait to open it. Maybe I'll open it tonight. We'll see. So I'm gonna paint the base color for this painting. So tonight I won't be able to do it.
kind of sunny outside, so I gotta get ready. Going to work. Time check. It's 3:10. 10 minutes walk. I need. So I'm still wearing jacket because tonight it's gonna get cold if I, just wear a t-shirt inside. So I already done the underpainting. Now we're going to work. Day in a life as a chef. with what? I don't know. With extracurricular activities in life. Oh shit. Okay, what else did I forgot? I got my key. I need my key. And it's too dark. It's very sunny outside and I can't even see you guys because I don't know. I'm gonna put my shoes on. I wanna get it's still. I can't even put my shoes on. Anyway, so I'm going to my 5 p.m. shift. That's how busy I am. Busy. So this is my outfit from Ek, and then from Shein, and then from Timo, and then my bag from Queen Victoria. Oh God, what am I doing? I'm so red here. I don't know if it's gonna be actual red in the editing. So let's go to work. Come with me as I go to work as a chef in Melbourne. No, I'm kidding. Only cook for now. Not a chef yet. Okay, bye. It's very hot outside. My hair is so messy. Sunny, very sunny, but I'm wearing jacket. It's very sunny in Melbourne. This is, life in Melbourne. Look at the view. I'm going to Flinders Street now, and then I hope I'll catch the Craigieburn line, and then that's it for tonight. I gotta sleep because I gotta work tomorrow. As you can see, I am adjusting the ears and putting the piercing and the earrings for the woman and adjusting the hair color.